Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. If you want to connect a device, maybe your hands-free, your headphones using Bluetooth in Windows 11, then in this video, I'll show you how you can do. So first you have to go to the desktop and in the search bar, you can search for Bluetooth or you can just simply go to the settings from the Windows icon. Once the settings gets open, then on the left side, you will see different options. From all these options, you have to go with this one, which is the Bluetooth. Simply click onto this one and after that you will see the option for Bluetooth. This one will be turned off. You can see the toggle onto it. What you have to do is you have to simply click onto that one and after that the Bluetooth will open. Now if you want to pair it with a device, you can click onto this option, which is the add device. As you click onto this option, then it will start looking for the Bluetooth, so you can select the Bluetooth option, and if there's any Bluetooth device available, it will show you. You can pair with it and after that you will get connected to that device via Bluetooth. And you can also click onto that toggle option to turn off the Bluetooth as well. So that's how you can use Bluetooth in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.